Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash. It is much later than I normally start the vlog. I got a bunch of shoe orders that I'm about to drive to the post office, but first I ran out of tape, so we gotta go get some tape. And then it's actually like kind of close to 5 o'clock. Oh my god, there's always accidents on this spot. Look here, another accident. I swear to God, that intersection is the worst intersection in Las Vegas. There's always accidents there. It's insane. And I don't understand why. I don't know. It's like, I don't get it. Anyways, so yeah. So we're not going to get any dashing done until I go mail these shoes, because I got to get to the post office by 5 o'clock. So if you guys are new to the vlog, I try to get all my tasks done while doing Doordash. That's basically what the videos are based around, so casual dashing is what I call it. And it's gonna be bright right here. So anyways, be right back when we get to the post, we gotta get some tape first. All right, got a big 8-pack of tape and we are off. We are literally gonna make it to the post office with 5 minutes to spare. So for everyone that ordered shoes this week, thank you guys for supporting. And if you guys want to support the YouTube channel or myself and my footwear business, go ahead and use the discount code TannersYouTube for like 65% off, and it's gonna make the Ninjas $40. So also there's other cheaper shoes as well, so you can get other shoes as well. But the Ninjas are our main shoe right now that we're selling, and they'll be $40 using the discount code TannersYouTube on offaccessacrobatics.com. And get yourself some awesome barefoot shoes. They're great for hiking, anything outdoors, performing, working out. I love wearing them in the gym. It's just great when you can feel the ground under you. The only thing that, like, I wear them everywhere, so they're good for anything pretty much. So if you guys want to, yeah, save some money, and this discount will be available for the next 20 days as of right now. No, less, 2 weeks. We got 2 weeks left on the sale. So Tanner's YouTube, 65% off until May 1st, 2021. Anyways, be right back because I gotta drive fast to this post office. Question of the day: do you guys think Doordash can be the next Amazon? Because I was just looking up things to title this video, and I saw an interesting article about. I'm not gonna read the article because I don't really like reading the articles to you guys. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but I already skimmed over it, and it's very interesting because DoorDash does have all of the makings of the next potential Amazon, and they're already pretty much taking over the delivery industry. And DoorDash, I feel like if they just had, like their own facilities like similar to Amazon, I mean, they've only been around for a few years, since 2017, so that's huge, that's huge. And they could, I really think it is a problem that Amazon has such a monopoly, and I don't know, they're totally like closing all kinds of businesses because Amazon is so damn convenient, and they're the only one. Like, I guess Walmart's kind of becoming a competitor. They took like a different route, but I think DoorDash might eventually be as big as Amazon, as long as they keep up the quality of their business, because I personally think that quality is always going to be most important for carrying a brand through the future. Anytime someone has a bad experience, like I had a bad experience on Ubereats, I'm never going to order from there again, just because until DoorDash fucks up one of my orders, I'm just going to keep ordering from DoorDash, because I always have good experiences whenever I order from DoorDash, So, and like I'm 0 for 2 on Ubereats, so I don't know. If you guys listened to that story before, like a driver basically stole my food 2 days in a row on Ubereats, and I was like, all right, I'm never ordering from Ubereats again. Plus, I do DoorDash, so it makes sense for me to support DoorDash. Anyways, be right back. So we're about 2 minutes away from the post office. I just logged into DoorDash, and we're already getting all kinds of orders coming in, but so it seems like it's pretty busy right now. There's a $+ charge right now, or $+, whatever you call that. So we're gonna try to get an order. I like to try to just be ahead, and like log in early, and then like hopefully get an order that's on the way to the post office. That way, as soon as I drop this off, we can go straight there and make this drive as convenient as possible. I like to try to just never go out of my way, and that's what Dashing's all about for me, but I keep getting these bullshit orders that are like super far away. Like, geez, that's real far. Anyways, alright, dropped off the shoe orders, and we got an order, $7 for 4 miles. Goes right back to my house. Perfect from Canes, which is probably gonna have a ridiculously packed line right now because they always do. But all right, another question of the day. What's your guys' favorite restaurant to do DoorDash from? Let me know in the comments down below. Mine is probably Outback Steakhouse still. They're just always on it and super quick, and they have pretty expensive food, so you generally get like post tips and stuff after you drop off the order. Yeah, Outback Steakhouse probably is my choice. Just pulling up to Canes and there's no one in line. That's a first. This place is always super packed. I wonder, like, I've never seen Canes before I moved to Las Vegas. Like, does anyone know? Are Canes across the country now? Like, I don't know. I saw one in Anaheim when I was in SoCal last week, so I don't know. Alright, just grabbed the order. That was super quick. Now we are delivering to, it looks like we're delivering to a restaurant. It's called Dottie's. It's like a bar, and there's like gambling machines there and stuff. For those of you who don't know, sorry, I'm burping. For those of you who don't know, I'm delivering in Las Vegas, and it is so hot. It is like 90 degrees today, and it was 95 yesterday, or it was 99 yesterday. Just insane. Like, what is going on? Did we skip over spring and just go straight to summer, or what? But good news is, well, hopefully if it's not so insanely windy, because it's kind of windy right now, it's supposed to be windy tomorrow, we're supposed to go wakeboarding. So I'm super excited to at least get on the lake again, because it's been quite a while since we've been to the lake. Actually, I went a few weeks ago, but it was way too damn cold to do anything. Yeah. And also, I've been going to the UFC gym for the last few days, and I paid for this expensive, like, recovery room session thing. It's like they have a cryotherapy in there. They have all kinds of massage stuff. They got, like, all kinds of crazy stuff. So anyways, I'm paying for like $160 gym membership right now, but totally worth it because I can like work out and not have to worry about the machines being taken because there's no one there, because it's a brand new gym. Super nice. I love it. I always love going to brand new gyms. It's so cool, and they have all like the state-of-the-art equipment and stuff too, so super exciting. Anyways, all right, we got 1 mile to drive and then we'll be at this restaurant. All right, just dropped off last orders to one of the employees that works at this place called Dottie's. Looks like a place I would probably never go to. It says gaming and spirits, but inside it's just a bunch of people smoking cigarettes and gambling. So anyways, if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button for this channel, and also subscribe if you guys haven't, because we got more better videos in the future. More better. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Also, one last time, offaccessacrobatics.com. Use discount code TannersYouTube, but for the next 2 weeks, get 65% off the best shoes that you can possibly wear. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.